Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys seen in the thumbnail of today's video, I will be doing a large haul, you can say a large unboxing. Sorry for the delay. A lot of these pickups came from SneakerCon Bay Area. Now, I've been super busy. I have been like behind on a lot of things, but I'm finally bringing that to the forefront. Before I get into the video, I know I did a Reshoevn8r video. If you guys haven't checked it out, me and Reshoevn8r have decided to do a giveaway on a cleaning kit. One of you special guys will be the winner of that video. I know I've been behind on it, but the winner of that video will be announced in the next video. My very next video, it will be announced. I try to give it some time for everybody to check it out, but I also wanted to rock with the ones who watched that video. So if you don't know the rules, I'm not repeating it in any other video. The only way you know the rules, the only way you know how to do it is if you watch the Reshoevn8r video. I think I was cleaning the Yeezy 700s. For my people who don't know what Reshoevn8r is, Reshoevn8r is the best cleaning solution in the game. Everything from water stain and repellent spray, which I'm holding in my hand right now, to the actual cleaning solution, to the laundry system cleaning kit. They have a lot of options over there. If any of you guys are like me and like to protect your sneakers and make sure they stay A1, I would definitely tell you to head over to Reshoevn8r.com, see what they got going on. Use my discount code SNIPER if you want to get 10% off anything on the website, save some money, and check out Reshoevn8r when you get a chance. Anyways, man, today's video not gonna be too long. Just gonna be briefly going through a few things. I'm excited about some of this stuff. A lot of this stuff you guys don't know about. It's from brands you guys don't know about, and I'm happy to put you on. This is it. This is just about everything, and I know this isn't packaged. Like I said, man, I got this whole catalog, you can say, SneakerCon Bay Area, man. So I will be going over all of this. What's in this bag, what's in this box. Like I said, this video not gonna be super long because it's not a ton of stuff, but it is some stuff in here I do want to tell you guys about. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So we're just gonna start off with this bag here. This bag here is sent over by nobody else but the homie. Shout out to Mike the Compass, aka Sneaker Life. Mike is the homie, man. He's a dope YouTuber. A lot of you guys know of his channel. If you don't, I'll make sure I link it below. Everything from sneakers. He even hoop a little bit. I don't know if you know, he kind of ducking the fade. I ain't gonna hold you, you know what I'm saying? No, definitely some content with me and Mike coming, so be prepared for that. If you want to see some of that dope content with me and Mike the Compass, man, leave a like on this video. We're gonna run it up, that's for sure. But shout out to him, man, because Mike has a clothing line called St. Michael's, and I always been eyeing pieces, and he decided to send your boy something, so I appreciate it, my guy. I'm actually super excited to see what this is because he hit me randomly like, what size shirt you wear? And hey, look, you already know what that means. If you ask me what size of shirt I wear, man, that means something coming through the mail, man. So once again, huge shout out to my boy Mike. Check out his channel, link down below. Bow, gave me something that clean, all white, nice material, and in that all white, as you can see right there, it says always blessed. I will be sure to get some B-roll of everything I'm trying to show you guys today. Definitely didn't go cheap with the material. I really feel like the material isn't like a, what's the name of that? Gilding. I know a lot of people go gilding or a lot of people go cheap. Even though it's a white tee with just your basic print, man, it's definitely good material. Now he has a lot of options over there. Trust me, some things I've been eyeing, everything from hoodies, shirts. I think he even got shorts now, if I'm not mistaken. Head over to St. Michael's and get some of your merch. All right, man, so next up, we're gonna go through all these clothes right here on top of this box, okay? Because this was sent by one person, or actually given to me by my guy Nick from Way Before the Fame. Way Before the Fame is a clothing line based out of New York. My guy Nick is at every single SneakerCon, so if you ever see the table Way Before the Fame, I might be posted up there, or you just might run into some dope clothing. So I'm gonna run through this and head over there and tell me what y'all think. Okay, first off, we're gonna go with some of the long sleeve tie-dye looks. Now, the long sleeve tie-dye look is definitely the vibe. I do like the tie-dye shirts, man. It's definitely coming back in full effect. I remember when the tie-dye was just like a hippie thing or more of like an out there thing, but now I feel like they're widely more accepted. Now, if you can see a little bit closer, it has the Way Before the Fame, the WBTF right there on the chest. And I'm not gonna hold you, it's a lot of companies out there, but I told Nick this when I met him. That might be like the dopest name of a clothing line in a long time. Like Way Before the Fame, it's like, I don't know, bro. Maybe because it's personal. It hit me personally. Like, who's really with me way before the fame? You know what I'm saying? If y'all like that name of the clothing line, then definitely leave a thumbs up on this video because I don't know, I think it was hard. Next up, we have another tie-dye shirt, and I actually wore this one already. I actually wore this when I left from San Jose out there in SneakerCon. It's the same tie-dye, different look. You got a purple, kind of like a bluish tint, and I wore these with, where are they? Okay, they're behind me. Give me a second. Here they are right here, man. So I wore these with the human races. It was a perfect mesh. You see, it has like the same type of graphic design going on through the entire sneaker. I wore these with this shirt on my way back from San Jose. So this tie-dye look is a new look that they're doing with the new catalog, and I love it, man. I actually like it a lot. So first one here, I believe he sent this over to Holla because it's in a large, but as you guys can see, it's all red and it has the Adidas shirt marking. So he did get an Adidas blank, but on the back, he got that way before the fame. And I like this because I can tell he's going to active wear. A lot of clothing lines do a lot of urban wear. A lot of them do a lot of casual wear, but he's definitely hitting active market. And you know your boy Snipe back hooping. You know what I'm saying? I'm back getting buckets here. So I'm definitely gonna be rocking this one. He also gave me the same one in the gray colorway. And like I said, the blank Adidas right here, flip it around in the back, you get the way before the fame. And like I said, man, it's active. And it's actually proactive for him to do that because like I said, a lot of brands don't tap in both markets. Way before the fame has a lot of clothing options for people who wanna do stuff on the casual side or on the type of upper side. And as you can see, you can also dress down and get some active wear. Speaking of active wear, we got two hoodies over here, but one in particular I wanted to talk about since we was talking about active wear, and that is this Adidas neon flame green colorway with the Adidas blank here and the way before the frame embroidered throughout the entire sneaker. Now we already, did I just say sneaker, bro? Throughout the entire sweater, okay? Now this sweater is not just a regular sweater. As you guys can see, it has the 3 stripes right there on the hood, but more importantly, it has the active wear on the thumbs, okay? So if any of you guys ever seen the hoodies that you can sit your thumbs into when it's cold for active wear, this is one of those. It's very light, not heavy at all, kind of like a fleece almost, and that neon green is like, maybe be like the color of the year. That alone by being an Adidas blank is still very, very fashionable, so it's not nothing cheesy, and you can still rock it. I like this colorway, and I like this a lot. Last but not least, we have another one of my favorite pieces, which is another hoodie, and that is the way before the fame embroidered sweater. The first time I seen this over there at the table, I immediately said, bro, I need one. Once again, Nick never goes cheap with the material. As y'all see right there, that is the Champion blank. So all y'all see the Champion blanks, which means it's Champion material. And we all know Champion does not give you cheap material. So he just buys the Champion blank and creates his own designs on great material. So I'm telling y'all, it's worth the buck. You can see it has the stripes right here on both shoulders. And like I said, it's very, this one is very more heavier. So this actually will be like a winter type coat or a winter hoodie. This one here is more loose. So it's something you'll just wear on a little breezy night, maybe like a summer night, or you know what I'm saying, I wouldn't even say 65, 68, 70, something like that. You would definitely bring this one out when it's a little colder out. So that is everything from way before the fame. I will link them down in the description. Make sure you check them out, man. They have a lot of different looks. As I said, they got the casual looks. They also got the activewear looks. Either way you go, they have something for you. Say the biggest for last, and y'all already know when this box is on the table, you already know what's in it. Before I even open it up, shout out to my people over at Soul Premise, the best premium sneaker bags out there. And one thing about this is they gave me a discount code that you guys can get 30. Not 20, not 10, not 5, but 30% off. If you guys want to use my discount code to get 30% off anything over at Soul Premise, then you just use promo code Snipe Squad. Once you're done buying what you're buying, and the discount code automatically takes out 30% of whatever you charge. All right, man, let's go ahead and open this up because I don't be knowing when he's sending things out, and sometimes when I do know, I don't know the color because he has duffel bags. He got a lot of things from book bags to duffel bags to even shoulder bags. Now there's some shoulder bags on the way. Let's see what he sent over, man. I'm hoping it's another book bag, and it's another book bag. Okay, so go ahead and get rid of that. It is another premium leather book bag, and it's a lot bigger because a lot of his bags come in different sizes. You get the smaller book bag that can fit like 2 or 3 pairs, and then you get the ones like these ones that can fit like 4 pairs, a laptop, and just about everything else but the kitchen. So let me go ahead and open this up real quick to show y'all the quality of it, because every bag is always got the best quality you can imagine. Let me go ahead and get this out right now. Man, this is that all white, you know what I'm saying? This is that cocaine, huh? Definitely a premium bag. I'm gonna try to get close up on the B-roll so you can see it. Kind of has that tumbled Jordan leather look. Now, I'm not the only person that uses this bag. A lot of high valued, a lot of big sneaker YouTubers use this. Made to fit, at least 5 pairs of sneakers, depending on size, man. It has compartments for your laptop. Whenever I go out of town to SneakerCon, this is the bag that I carry for the whole weekend, and it's TSA approved, so you can throw it right over your head. So I'm gonna just go ahead and open this up briefly and let y'all see what it can do, man. When we open the first back layer, you get this ability to put 4 sneakers in here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 right off the bat. This is for like your personal products, right? You get your laptop in here if you want to put the laptop in here, all the stuff that come with the laptop, whether it be wires, cords, hard drive, extra lenses, whatever, and it still has more room down there at the bottom. But wait, we're not done yet. You can also unzip the most upper part, and you open it up again, and voila, more room for more sneakers. A sneaker can fit here. Some more stuff can fit here, some more stuff can fit here, more stuff can fit here. Listen, it's a lot of room, but even crazier than that, we're not done yet. So now we move all the way to the front of the bag, and on the front of the bag, you get 2 compartments here and here to put whatever you want, whether it be toiletries, whether it be extra batteries, whether it be cell phone, I don't know what you would need. But wait, we're not done yet. I'm telling you, it's a lot of space. Finally, at the bottom, as you can see, the bottom kind of zips apart as well, and you can fit a lot of stuff in here as well. So usually when I'm out of town, the bottom part is where I will put all of my clothing and stuff like that. I hope that little brief documentary or brief little show kind of tells you what this bag is capable of. Like I said, if you want this bag, any of the duffel bags, head over to soulpremise.com. Saves you a lot of money, especially when it's time to travel, man. Everything is just in one bag. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out all of the places that I got these things from. I appreciate you guys for tuning in as always, man. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I will catch up with y'all, but I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.